Rebate means making space for the other part of the article to fit in. Rebate plane is used to make a rebate in a wooden frame, plank or member. Commonly, rebate plane is used for small articles like photo frames. The blade in rebate plane is approximately 1 inch, which is smaller than the blade of the jack plane and smoothing plane. You can use rebate plane alone without any helper. It is used like the jack plane. Let us see how to make use of a rebate plane on a wood piece. Step 1. Measure and mark the depth and the width of the rebate on the wooden piece. Step 2. Fix the wooden piece on the workbench properly fit with the bench vise. Move the rebate plane in a similar way like the jack plane. Continue cutting the chips of wood till you achieve the required dimensions.